Confused. I felt confused when I didn't understand the math problem. Trying to assemble furniture always makes me feel confused. Jealous. When my best friend makes new friends, it makes me feel jealous. Seeing someone else get the promotion made me feel jealous. Frustrated. Dealing with technical issues always makes him feel frustrated. Not being able to find my keys made me feel frustrated. Stressed. Juggling multiple tasks at once makes him feel stressed. Meeting tight deadlines always makes me feel stressed. Bored. Having nothing to do on a rainy day can make me feel bored. Waiting in long lines always makes me feel bored. Hungry. My stomach is rumbling. Time to satisfy my hunger. I am hungry because I didn't eat lunch. Thirsty. He is so thirsty that he can drink the whole bottle. I felt thirsty after playing outside in the sun. Sleepy. After playing all day, the child felt sleepy and went to the bed early. I am yawning because I am sleepy. Clingy. In front of his friends, the boy became clingy, craving more attention. The puppy was so clingy that it followed me everywhere, even to the bathroom. Hopeful. He felt hopeful, thinking good things will happen soon. I looked at the bright sky and felt hopeful that better days were ahead. Happy. She found a surprise gift and it made her happy. The sun shining brightly outside makes me happy. Sad. She discovered evidence of his betrayal, which made her feel sad. The lost teddy bear made the little girl feel sad. Excited. Opening the birthday present, she felt excited to find her favorite dress inside. Getting my favorite puppy in present makes me excited. Annoyed. The loud music from the neighbor's party made her annoyed. The long wait at the doctor's office made me annoyed. Scared. The loud noise surprised him and made him scared. Seeing a spider in my room makes me feel scared. Embarrassed. Falling in front of crowd made her feel embarrassed. Forgetting someone's names can sometimes makes me feel embarrassed. Suspicious. He felt suspicious when he saw someone near his backpack. His secretive smile made me feel a bit suspicious. Tired. Staying outside all day made her really tired. Staying up late to finish homework left me feeling tired in the morning.